Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. The title of the project is IoT-Enabled Flood Severity Prediction via Ensemble Machine Learning Models. And the abstract of the process is river flooding is a natural phenomenon that can have a devastating effect on humans' life and economic losses. Accurate and timely rainfall prediction can be very helpful to take effective security measures in advance during flood situations. Data mining techniques can effectively predict the river flooding by extracting the hidden patterns among available features of past weather data. In our proposal system, we propose a new forecasting method that uses a machine learning and deep learning approaches to predict monthly rainfall for selected locations. We have implemented machine learning algorithms like support vector machine, random forest, Gaussian based, and deep learning algorithm like artificial neural network algorithm. And the flow diagram of the project is first we need to start the program and select the flood severity dataset, then clean the dataset. In cleaning process, if the dataset contains any missing values or null values in the data, it will automatically replace the missing value and NaN value into unique value of 0. Then it will apply into feature selection module. In feature selection module, the dataset is split into training dataset and testing dataset. Then it will apply it into classification method. In classification, the algorithms are applied and predict the result based on accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. I am going to run my project in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE. And this is the sample dataset of flood severity dataset. And this is the pre-parsing method. In pre-parsing method, we are going to checking the missing values. In every column, there is no missing values occurred in our dataset. In classification, random forest accuracy is 54%, and these are the classification report of random forest algorithm. And SVM algorithm accuracy is 65%, and these are the classification report of support vector machine algorithm. And Gaussian based algorithm result is 71%, and these are the classification report for Gaussian based algorithm. And deep learning algorithm of artificial neural network algorithm result is classification report of artificial neural network algorithm, and the accuracy is 82%. And this the comparison graph between the random forest naive bayes and support vector machine and artificial neural network algorithm. These are all the variable results that are stored in the user defined variables.